So recently we switched to Shopify POS. We have loved it so far.
We're really excited to kind of provide that perfect omnichannel type of solution.
My name is Amy Cesarato. I am the owner, founder of Splash of Pink.
My name is Mark Cesarato, co-owner with my wife at Splash of Pink. Splash of Pink is a business that was born back in 2003 as a result of my wife's spending habits.
While I was on a trip to Nantucket, I saw a Lilly Pulitzer store and I spent a lot of money there. So we reached out to the Lilly Pulitzer company and realized that there was a gap in the market in Fairfield County, and we were the ones to bring it to the Westport area. It was the first standalone signature Lilly Pulitzer store. We named it Splash of Pink, and we've been here for 23 years, and we've since opened in New Canaan, Connecticut as well. We use Shopify because it is easy. Right out of the box, you can put your products up and start selling. They have streamlined the experience for us, especially with gift cards and stock, selling out of locations. You can do orders online and do store pickup. The apps that are available at Shopify are actually, you can make them tiles right there at the point of sale. So we're really happy to be on Shopify POS.
With coming over to Shopify POS, we're really excited to kind of provide that customer experience, again, whether it's online or in store, to an A+ level.
We proudly partner with P3 Media for marketing and for development on our website. Their quick turnaround time is essential because sometimes we figure these problems out and you got to be quick to market, and they have got a great team. They're very responsive.
P3 has been tremendous for us. They really provide some upfront understanding for what you kind of should be doing and thinking about versus things that maybe aren't as important.
They really understand our business, our brand, our voice, and what we're trying to communicate, and they've really helped us grow the business even more on that front.